This is a surprise laag. We just arrived here, and this is El Sueño Resort. So we'll be having our dinner here. This is in Dauin, Bulak, Dauin. Our first time. And it's there. So this is in the interior part of Dauin, Bulak. Here we go with my family. And oh, so Sky Beach na din na dia. Wow, there's that pool. And yeah, just 2 other days sila. Okay. Yes. Wow. Let's try to go somewhere else. Dirita. Ilan. There's the pool. Okay, a nice pool here at the resort. And this is their bar. And actually, we are on the beach here in Bulak. Yes, it's a night time. And it's drizzling actually. Yes, come here. So this is unplanned.
From City Mall to Dauin.
Unplanned travel.
The original plan is City Mall, and then we're here in the mall now.
Wow. And I guess I think yes. Kaplano week pa nihapon sa City Mall. Pero niabot mi dire kay dulan ra mas clipboard sa City Mall.
Oh, good.
Ikaw sa Bacolod yan ni pa nihapon sa Dauin. Yay!
Long distance dinner.
You want to sit on it? It's drizzling. Bito, pwede kayo sila. Pwede kayo lalong. Okay, go hold first kay Mami Lur will phone. Okay, that is Sekia. Oh, we're going, Lur. Careful, Lur. Okay. It's raining, baby. Now you'll get one. Sakia is going with Jujerel. Don't run. Yes, so ito pala ang El Sueño Resort here in Bulak, Dauin. Don't run, baby. So we're here to have our dinner and yeah, unplanned dinner here. Baby, don't go. You might fall. Oh, what you doing? Be careful. No. Don't jump. Don't jump. My goodness. A very adventurous girl. Okay, let's go now. It's actually drizzling. Yeah. And why are you here, babies? Huh?
Because I want to eat
Huh? And you?
chicken.
You want to eat chicken? And you are the one, you are the suspect? The baby. No, we will eat. We will eat.
Wow.
Yes. First time na mo diri, Jig. You've been here? And so, so this is now our conversation as we wait for our per minute na mabayad lingkod ning oh.
Dito, ano na?
Just give daddy one thing. Give daddy. I'll taste. Thank you. Nasa sa water? Okay, para sa natin. Can you say water please? You can say something because it's dark. It's like
I want to swim with cold.
first time mo?
Yes.
What's your reaction? Why? Ikaw, may tugyan ako kadiri? How's this place? Ikaw? Wow, they plan already.
Welcome to our family. This is our family.
Yes. We have changed position kasi medyo marami kami.
Maintenance, Uncle.
Yan,
Maintenance.
ito. We have changed position. Pinataas yung wall. At
Maintenance niya may
yes. Hindi ka lagi naman kita. Dauin.
Dauin.
Lulutak yan.
Serving spoons are coming. Very good. For the sabaw. No problem.
Hi. Again.
And we have started to eat. Ayan. Hanami. Then, okay.
Sayang eyes, ha? Careful, ha? Careful. Kami. Hi, guys.
Wow.
Kaya na?
Give us
Ah,
flashlight, Sabrina. Sabrina!
Na.
Flashlight like that.
Light us, light us. Yes, that's it. Let's go, light us.
Yay!
Yay! Thank you, Sabrina and Sakia. Yay!
Very good, girls.
Hey, Mangkod. This is El Sueño by night. See, can you see the waves? This is the beach front of the El Sueño beach resort here in Bulak, Dauin. So I'm going to turn around 180 degrees for you to see. There. So basically, you can touch the water in just 7 meters or 6 meters walking to this one. The seawall. Yeah, okay. So once again, this is the El Sueño resort here in Bulak, Dauin. But the rooms, their amenities, this is just a sort of not so big. Okay. So pang pamilya pwede na.